From the opulent journey of the future. Greetings. The Volvo Motorhome for 2026 is examined in this article. Its aerodynamic exterior defies traditional motorhome design limits and guarantees a stunning, futuristic appearance with its streamlined body lines, streamlined hood, and Volvo's famous Thor's hammer LED headlights. In addition to being aesthetically pleasing, this RV's next-generation hybrid electric powertrain system combines an electric drive system for quiet, eco-friendly city driving with a low-cost combustion engine for long-distance travel. With regenerative braking technology and integrated solar panels on the roof, this system blends sustainability with electricity. It greets you with a cockpit that looks like a luxury SUV. In the middle of Volvo's recognizable minimalist design is a floating 15-inch touchscreen that runs the latest version of the Android Automotive OS. This screen serves as the vehicle's command center, controlling navigation, entertainment, and RV data like water tank level and battery life. The excellent ergonomic leather upholstery of the driver's and front passenger seats, which also has heating, cooling, and massaging features, guarantees the highest level of comfort for long-distance travel. LiDAR and a 360-degree camera system are standard on Volvo vehicles. The main space beautifully reflects the majesty of Scandinavian design. Premium wool mixes, eco-friendly materials like Nordico, and touches of light ash or birch would create a calm and roomy atmosphere. A slide-out mechanism allows the cozy, movable couch seating in the living area to be moved to create more room while parked. A full-height glass roof and large panoramic windows let in an abundance of natural light, while adjustable LEDs create a warm ambient lighting at night. On a mobile device, the bedroom is comparable to a 5-star hotel suite. For comfortable sleeping, the room has a full-sized queen or king bed and an orthopedic mattress. The soft-touch wall panels contrast sharply with the surrounding decor's light, natural wood finish motif. You may sleep under the stars or wake up to the sight of the sunrise from the comfort of your own haven thanks to the roomy, full-height closets, concealed storage drawers, and panoramic windows with built-in blackout shades. The little luxurious bathroom is referred to as the high-tech washroom. It has a rainfall shower head, smooth tiling, and a glass walk-in shower door. The sophisticated vanity has soothing LED lighting and an opulent sink. Importantly, it integrates environmentally friendly ventilation and water management technologies, offering a revitalizing experience while upholding Volvo's environmentally conscious philosophy and giving every facet of road life a refined and significant feel. Let's finally take a look inside the kitchen. This kitchen was definitely designed with traveling cooks in mind, with energy-efficient, contemporary features like a seamless refrigerator/freezer, an induction cooktop, and a convenient sink. You'll always have everything you need to make delectable meals wherever you go thanks to ingenious counters and concealed storage. More than simply a car, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome is a futuristic house on wheels that blends technology, sustainability, and elegance to deliver an unmatched vacation experience. Are you prepared for your next journey?